Okay, so I've got some kind of an olive green here mixed up and kind of a lighter gray tan with some pea gravel in it. Mix a little bit more. And I'm going to start off with my little owls here with some of the green. And a little bit more green. And a little bit more of the tan. Making sure I get some of that gravel in there. Pushing it all down. Getting out my bubbles. Get that gravel off the bottom. On my little feet. And then we'll do the same over here. Looks like I'm going to be a little short, so I'll just mix up a little bit and finish that off. And there we go. Okay. We'll come back and demold these in about an hour.